So how you gonna create chances? Ngikhuluma ngapha teams. At Orlando Pirates, you've got Makhehleni Makaula. Is mina ngihlale critical ngaye. He's playing as an extra a center back for me. It doesn't move much. It doesn't link. But defensive midfield is to link between defense and attack. You are the one that need to uphuma kuma tight space. Mele siphume ngawe. Angithi Pirates a ball playing team. Angeke idlale ngama second ball abafana bomfukeng. In today's game first half bebadlala ngama second ball. Mfukeng you can say he was off but beketholi supply na. Even him Tito Maswanga. Yes, three Mfukeng off Nkotha off for me, Maswangai off for me. Also, this guy evidently scored, but when you check how he plays,
What else did he do?
I want to find out. As always, I'm saying, I think this is four. If Pirates is four, because they are the best attacking team for me in terms of attack. But today, this four, I think they were off. But also the supply in Kulmang midfield. If you don't have proper midfielders, although we've been saying this, I'm going to say it even today, you can't win ugly. About 3 finals, you win and say the game plan works. It didn't work